Hey everybody, this is Chris. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between except, besides, and apart from. These are words that a lot of learners get confused, and they can be very confusing because they might be different from how these words are used in your language. But just before we start, I just need to mention that if you haven't yet signed up for my free training to improve your British accent, then just click the link in the video to join me and watch my free video series on the biggest mistakes that learners make when trying to speak with the British accent. Okay, now let's get on with today's video. So first of all, let's talk about besides. So what does besides mean? Besides means that we are adding something extra to the sentence. So this is in addition to the other things in a sentence. Let me give you an example. Besides English, I also speak French. So this means that I speak English and French. So here we could also say in addition to and as well as. In addition to English, I also speak French, or as well as English, I also speak French. So we can put the besides at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. We can say, I have a lot of hobbies besides singing. This means that singing is your hobby, but you also have other hobbies. You also like to do other things. So this is besides. Now let's talk about except. So when you use except, you are taking something away from the meaning. So that's why I've used this little minus sign here. Let me give you an example. I like everybody except him. This means that you don't like him. This does not include him. I like everybody except him. This means everybody else. So we could also say, everybody went to the party except for me. So that means that me or I did not go to the party. So we're taking it away from the meaning of the sentence. So here we could use except or we could use except for. So except is often used with the preposition for. Okay, now what about apart from? So apart from is actually a combination of the last two. It can be used to add something to the meaning of the sentence or take something away. Let me give you some examples. Apart from a cat, I also have a dog. This means that I have a cat and I have a dog. Apart from tennis, I like to play golf. This means that you like to play tennis and you like to play golf. So both of them. But it could also be taking something away. So for example, I'm free every day next week, apart from Tuesday. This means that I'm not free on Tuesday. No, I'm not free on Tuesday. I'm free every day except for Tuesday. So here we could say except for or apart from. So with apart, we use the preposition from. This means I'm free on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but not Tuesday. And the last example, apart from me, everybody was wearing school uniform. This means that I was not wearing school uniform, but everybody else was. So it's not including the part after apart from. All right, so now let's do a little quiz to see if you can get it too. In these sentences, should we use except, besides, or apart from? Number one, what do you like to do? Something, watch TV. So here, there are two correct answers because this is adding something to the sentence. So we could use besides or apart from. So we could use either because it's saying, what else do you like to do? Number two, something history. What else are you interested in? So here, should we use except, apart from, or besides? So here we can use apart from or besides because it's talking about something new, something we are adding. And number three, I don't like any animals something, dogs. Which one should we use here? Besides, except for, or apart from. So here, the best answer would be except or apart from, because you don't like any animals, and dogs are the only animals that you like. Okay, did you enjoy this video? Did you find it useful? Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If it helped you, please do hit that like button and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, everybody, and see you again soon.